Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel, guys. And actually, today is the unboxing video. We are going to see an unboxing of a Livato projector. Actually, I purchased this product from Flipkart at rupees cost of 3,758 rupees, and I have given a link in the below description. You can purchase via that link also. This projector actually guys, this projector model is HY300 Pro. Actually, it supports 4K support is there, and not only that, it's an Android based projector, guys. Android 11 is there, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also is there. One speaker is also there, and one remote controller is also there. Okay, anyway, before talking about these features, just first we need to do an unboxing first. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to remove this up. Take this out. Dun, dun, dun. Here you can see, here's the projector, guys. You can see LED source, projector, multimedia projector. Okay, it's good. Actually, you can see the projector size is very small, guys. Actually, here you can see it's just a very compact size only. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to open this box now. Okay, what are the things they have given? Here you can see scan to download installation guide, scan with any QR scanner. Okay, we can ask help through WhatsApp also for customer support. It's good. What is this card? Okay, it's a gift voucher. Okay, it's good. Just keep this aside and let's come on. It's now time to take the projector out. Actually, you can see, guys, here's the projector. Before this projector, let's see what are the things they have given. The extra accessories, nothing inside this. You can see. Let's keep this aside, and I don't know why this cover. There is nothing inside this cover actually. I'm going to open this out now. The box. Okay, is the it is for power source cable, and another thing is a remote. You can see the remote is also very handy and compact. You can see, and let's see. Okay, we need to insert a battery. They are not providing any batteries at all in this remote. Okay, just keep this aside, and then here I think it's a quick installation guide. Actually, you can see here is the big list. Actually, if you need means you can read by passing this video. Actually, okay, it's a big thing actually. Big installation guide provided. Okay, let's keep this aside, and that's it, guys. Let's come on. It's now time to move to the projector. Actually, just I'm going to take this out. Here you can see here's the projector, guys. Actually this is a circle type. Just we need to place like this. Actually, you can see like this. We can focus towards the wall, or you need to buy a slider if you're not having any white color painted wall. Means there is a projector. Actually, it's very handy and it is very small also. Actually, guys, we can discuss the feature of this projector. Actually, previously I have told it is Android based projector. Actually, it has a 180-degree rotation is there, and auto horizontal keystone setup is also there, and maximum size it can expand up to 85-inch, guys. This projector screen size is actually, it goes up to 85-inch, and it supports up to 4K actually. That is the good thing in this. There is a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity is also there, and Miracast is also there. Actually, based on the product description I'm saying, anyway I need to test lively actually. That's good. And we can see the ports. What are the things they've given backside of this port? Here you can see here's the power, and here's one USB port is there, HDMI port is there, and here's the audio jack. No, it's not audio jack, it's a power button actually. That's good. And headphones input is also there. You can insert headphones here. These are the things were there, and there is some kind of Mali G32 support is also there, guys, in this projector. That's good actually. Livato. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to turn on the projector, guys. Let's come on. Let's just okay. I need to move forward to the wall to test this projector. Let's come on. And okay, guys, and here you can see here's the wall and here's the projector. Just now I'm going to focus this projector towards this wall actually. Now what I am going to do means it's now time to turn on the projector. Let's come on. It's now time to turn on. Okay, now I'm going to turn on this projector, guys. You can see here's the power button. Here you can see just now I'm going to turn off my room light actually. Here you can see, guys, just I have turned off my room light actually. Let's see whether it is auto resizing. Smart projector. Here you can see, guys, here's the, but actually clarity is looks very good, guys. Actually it's very good, clarity is very good actually. Here you can see I'm controlling through remote actually. So you can see it's working fine actually. So I'm going inside the settings. You can see it looks good. Just now I'm going to move a projector actually. Yeah, that's it. You can see it looks quite good actually now, and clarity is also very superb, guys. Actually there's a Play Store is there, default YouTube and Netflix apps were there actually. And let's click on applications. You can see gallery, Prime Video, quick share, a lot of things were there, guys, like apps and all. It looks good. It's okay, guys, at this price range. It is okay, value for money only. No issues in this. Actually you can see the local memory storage and all. Available size is 3.29 GB is there actually. You can store anything in that. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Actually it's just unboxing and small setup video only. And if you're having any queries or doubt means regarding this product means, you can ask in a below comment section. I will reply as soon as possible, guys. And okay, guys, please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys, like this. And okay, bye. I will see you in next video.